welcome back to RV with Tucker. I'm Anthony.
I'm Michelle.
Tucker is eating supper, so he is not in the picture, but
Yeah.
the UPS man and the post office person have been
Busy.
coming by the house pretty regular this week. We've gotten a package just about every day.
2 days.
So what we want to do is we kind of want to do an unboxing with you guys, let you know some of the things that we ordered, and let you kind of get an idea, and then do a future video and tell you how they work. So, Michelle, you ready to start us off?
I'm
What do we
ready.
got?
I ordered a little flag to have outside when we, or at our little spot. Of course, it's got a little camper on it. And it says Happy Campers.
All right, so what we got in this box?
We have a table.
Oh, that's our side table that we ordered for. Are you kidding me? I think it's a little small. This was supposed to be like
It
a
looks
side table
Smaller than a TV
to
tray.
go like outside with our chairs,
Yes,
and
it
it looks
tiny.
it's a little
Super
short. But you know what? That's just let's see. Well, yeah, it's so low you can't even see it in the camera. But
Yeah, it's a little short.
I guess I should have paid attention to what size. What else we got in there?
We have some laundry baskets. We have two. We have two of these.
Funny looking laundry basket.
Yeah, and you guys ever seen one like this? Looks like a bowl. Actually, it's collapsible.
Wow, look at that.
So,
That is cool.
make your way to the hat.
We've
Might
got
not
two of those,
share.
right?
There's one.
That is cool laundry basket.
And here is number two.
These are cool. These
Looks
are
like a his and her set.
yeah. Camco collapsible utility basket, laundry basket. This is cool. Oh, cool. Cool. This is a 3-shelf hanging organizer for our towels. So this is going
Go
to
in
be
the
cool.
closet, yeah.
This will be a good place where we can put our towels. We don't really
Fold them and
we don't
slide
have
them in.
any storage area in the bathroom really to store towels. So this
Well,
will
the
be
medicine cabinet's not big
yes,
enough.
and so this will be awesome for
It's tiny.
storing towels. Now,
Little bit.
this is going to be our grill. This is a Charbroil gas grill 190.
Right.
It's just a small
Notice it's gas.
gas
You
grill.
said
Yes.
gas, didn't you?
Might. We'll see. This is a pretty good size grill. I'll give you guys a close up. Here's
It's got a little
what it's
booklet.
going to look like. That's the bottom, and then
Your
we
top,
got the
yeah.
top here. So we got some little legs to go with it. So that's going to be a cool little grill. You guys, we've been talking a while that we're planning a trip. We
Yes,
actually
sir.
have everything. It took us a while. We knew that we were going to go to Pickwick Lake in Tennessee, just
Tennessee
down the
River.
road about an hour away from us.
Yeah.
So we'll go to Tennessee River there.
Right.
We're going to spend 6 nights there, and then we're going to
Land
leave on
between the
Sunday,
lakes.
and then we're going to stay for 6 nights. And my brother and his wife, they're going to come and stay a night with us, and then we're going to come home Saturday.
Right.
And then Monday morning, we leave for Land Between the Lakes. We're going to be staying Piney Campground, Land Between the Lakes. So
Which
excited about that. Well, Land Between the Lakes, for those of you that may not be familiar with it, it is a national wildlife, national forest area, I believe. But it is a strip of land that is between 2 lakes. It's between Kentucky Lake and I can't remember the name of the other lake there in Kentucky.
If you remember, just put it in the comments down there.
I'll remember it, and I'll put it at the bottom of the screen.
Right.
It'll be like right across here. So, but yeah, but it's a little strip of land. It's a federal. It's not a national park. But I believe it's a national wilderness.
Right.
But they have bison. They have elk. They have lots of things to do, and it's going to be a great time. We're going to have some good video.
Yeah.
So you guys be able to see what's going on.
Yeah.
We do have some more videos coming up, so stay tuned. In the meantime, until we'll have another video come out. We're going to try to post all of our videos on Monday. And I have one more thing that I would like to share with you guys that I found as I was getting some things for the RV and loading some things in here. I came across a picture of my grandfather. But this is my grandfather with his first camper. Doing what he loves. I guess it kind of runs in my blood.
How
My
old
grandfather.
do you think he was in that picture?
He was probably in his early 40s in that picture, so it was close
Way
to my
before
age.
your time.
Way before my time. But my grandfather loved to fish. He loved to camp. So,
Absolutely.
and my grandmother as well. So
I never met his grandfather, but the many stories I've heard, Anthony Tell and his grandmother Tell. Just fun times that they had. I mean,
Yes.
just being together, and you know, I hate I never got to meet him. He died before we got married, but I have heard many wonderful stories about their life together.
So we're going to find a place for my grandfather's picture,
Yeah.
somewhere prominent, and that way, as we're camping, we think of my grandfather and my grandmother. Absolutely.
The table, I have to say, was the funniest thing.
The table
I
is
think
a surprise.
it would be too big for a Barbie doll house, but you know, it might work. It might work for Tucker.
Hey, it could be Tucker's table.
Tucker's
It could be
table,
Tucker's
but
table.
it's tiny. I mean, it's.
This is.
But you know,
This
you may
is-
have to prop it on a rock or
This is
something.
what. This is what I get.
Hey, you could use it in the boat.
Maybe
Or it's sitting out.
this is what I get for not
He
looking at the dimensions
No.
when I order something.
Well, he showed me. He's like, "What do you think about this table?" I was like,
It looked really
"Hey,
cool.
I like that.
And it's
It'll
I
work."
mean, it's
No.
a good table. We're not downing the company.
No,
this
it
is
is.
our fault because
No,
we.
it is your fault.
I tried to slip that one in there. It is my
Not
fault
my
because I did not look at the dimensions. So, but anyway, hey guys, you know you live and learn sometimes, and sometimes you just
Look,
live and don't learn like me.
The truth hurts. So, hey, if you guys have some advice for Anthony here, he'll gladly.
I need all the help I can get. I need all the help I can get.
But anyway, you guys, we hope you have a good evening. We're fixing to get our things all put up that we just got.
Clean
He's
up our
got
mess.
a job to put the little
Uh,
grill
yes.
together, and I gotta hang the little organizer, and we'll put the other stuff up. But
That's right, guys.
hope you guys have a good evening.
Thank y'all so
and
much
we'll
for watching.
see you around.
And again, don't forget, subscribe. If you like what we're doing, subscribe. Click on the bell so you make sure you get every video that we put out.
Right.
Leave us a comment. We really would love to hear from you guys.
Yes.
You know, what you like about our channel, what we can change and improvements we can make. We'd like for you to comment.
Mm-hmm.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. All right, guys. Thanks again. Y'all have a good day, and God bless.